June 5th, 2024. There's Butch and Sunny ready to get on board. And as most of you are aware, the mission was expected to last a week. It ended up lasting 3 months. We'll talk about that. This is actually the first time ULA had ever launched a crew on one of their rockets, so they were really excited. Everything went nominal during Ascent. The Flight Day 1 rendezvous was all nominal, nominal meaning normal. There's the docking, I'll talk about that in just a minute. There's the crew as they arrived on June the 6th last year.